Hi everybody, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today I will show you or help you how to activate your card with your Amex Express. So, according to their customer service, you can activate your card using these three types or three ways. So first of all, for new cards, you can go and download the American Express app, enter your card details, create a user ID and password, and set a PIN of your choice if not already set, and activate your card. For the Amex online services, you just need to register for online services at this link right here. So it says americanexpress.com/in/activate. Set a PIN of your choice if not already set, and activate your card. Then download the American Express app to manage your card account. Lastly, you can also call the helpline number, which is, let's see, you can just tap in this page right here and you can see their customer service and their contact number for each and every Express card that will show. And register for online services at the americanexpress.co.in or via their app. And that's all.